Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to use your Amazon Prime Visa card to save on gas. If you're an Amazon Prime member, this card is a game changer for everyday expenses like filling up your tank. Let's break it down step by step so you can start maximizing your rewards right away. First off, what's the Amazon Prime Visa all about? It's a credit card offered by Chase Bank in partnership with Amazon, designed for Prime members. One of its biggest perks is earning 5% cash back on purchases at Amazon.com, Whole Foods, and yes, even at gas stations. That means every time you fuel up, you're potentially earning rewards that add up quickly. To get started, make sure your card is activated. If you haven't already, log into your Chase account online or via the app and follow the simple activation steps. Once that's done, head to your local gas station. You can use the card at the pump. Just swipe or insert it like any other credit card. If the pump doesn't accept it directly, go inside and pay at the register. Now, for the best results, link your card to any existing rewards programs at the gas station if available. For instance, if you're at a station that offers its own loyalty perks, combining them can double your savings. Remember, you'll earn that 5% back on up to $12,000 in gas purchases per year, so keep an eye on your spending limits. One quick tip: always pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, which could eat into your rewards. Also, check the Chase app regularly to track your cashback earnings and redeem them for Amazon purchases or statement credits. Using your Amazon Prime Visa for gas is an easy way to make your daily drives more rewarding. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.